Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Lifecoin. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Life Network Service LNS is a blockchain-based healthcare data platform designed to enable patients to securely own, manage, and share their personal medical and health information. The platform establishes a transparent and incentivized framework for data exchange between individuals, researchers, and institutions, providing efficient and compliant access for stakeholders such as pharmaceutical companies, healthcare providers, and academic organizations. Developed to address key limitations in conventional medical data systems, LNS introduces blockchain-driven mechanism for data integrity, consent management, and accountability. Traditional electric medical record (EMR) and electronic healthcare (EHR) system typically store data in centralized repositories, which can lead to issues for fragmentation, privacy risk, and limit interoperability. LNS LNS seeks to resolve these challenges through decentralized data ownership structures, verifiable access records, and transparent sharing process supported by smart contract functionality. Lifecoin total supplies 10 billion and circulating supplies around 441.39 million LNS token. LNS token is listed on LBank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.